How to use the WIC drop boxes. WIC remains committed to serving you. We now have drop boxes at all of our clinics. Even though our clinics are currently closed to the public, you can still drop off your WIC card at the closest clinic. When you get to the WIC clinic, wait in your car if someone else is using the drop box. Instructions will be available in case you need them. Please take an envelope and include the following information: your name, your WIC location, your phone number, your email address, and most importantly, your current mailing address. This is where we'll mail your updated card. Place your card in the envelope, seal it, and drop it in the box. We pick cards up at the end of each business day and process them the next business day. If we need any other information, we'll call you directly. Take a business card with our contact information. Then you can just drive home and your updated card will be in your mailbox within 7 days. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.austintexas.gov/WIC or email us at wichelp@austintexas.gov.